Good morning everyone. Hope you all are good. This is Nilanjana Bera, your art teacher, and today we will be making paper lantern, and the material required are in the first step I have taken square sheets. They both are of turquoise color. One is little lighter and the other darker, so I just made a little combination of them and just outlining it with the paper strips of red tone. So I just cut them, the paper strips in a smaller sizes, and don't want to waste the paper, so I'm going to repeat the same thing on all the square papers which I required it for the lantern. Now if you have enough paper, you can just opt for the different option also, where you can just use two sizes of square. One could be a smaller and one could be a little larger, so you can place the small at their center and the same kind of effect can come. Now I have to just organize the sheet, so I'm going to cut the extra stripes from the corner and it will be look like this. So I'm going to repeat everything with the same style on all the other papers. Now we have to fold it in a certain way, like the opposite corners we have to just overlap them and paste it. It's best to use a stapler because it will hold the paper a little strongly and it will be faster also, because my paper is quite stronger as I have used the pastel sheet. So if you're using origami papers or some thin up chart paper, that's much easier to work with, like it will paste quickly. But if I say the durability of the paper, pastel sheet will always have a more durability. At the center I have just pasted a glitter square sheet. Instead of this, if you have some kind of stones or studs or any decorative material, you can use that, because whatever material was available with me, I do have used that. So you can use the extra glitters or extra decorative material according to your own convenience. Now I have pasted them, all of them, on a single sheet, which is a long green sheet, and there I have pasted them alternatively, like one darker and one lighter, and both the side, like top and the base, I have just pasted was single stripe of turquoise green, and just putting the golden lace which I have. So instead of this, you can use some stud stickers or any decorative material which you can just paste it around it, just to make it a little more glittery. Now this green color I am using just for the base. I am just cutting the fringes with this, and I have just folded the paper in four equal portions and just cutting them with a straight stripe so that it can create a little fringes on the base of that lantern I am adding. And you can go for different shades and tones, or you can just take 2-3 colors together and just cut them, because I have used the base as a green, so I thought that this color will go nice and it will give a complement to that base of the previous hanging, so that's why I have used the green. And the paper for the fringes is also a fine quality, so it is like more thinner and it can cut easily, so you can just opt for the easier portions whichever way you want to do it. Now I'm going to roll it all together, because I have created on a straight strip. So now I have just kept little extra on one of the side, which is the right side here, and these are the glue drops. They are very strong to paste even if the Fevicol is not working, so these stripes can help you just to hold it very quickly. So it's better option that if you have some kind of adhesive which is pretty much stronger. So I'm going to roll it and just overlapping that both the sections together just to hold it quickly. And if there is some space in between those particular decorative portions, what you can do, you can just staple them together to get it attached. So stapler is a useful thing, and even if it's not doing going pasting, like you can just press them little strongly so that they cover up that section. Now this is the one hanging portion which I have added here, so you can either paste a paper or any string or thread for that. I hope you have understood how to make the paper lantern. Little adjustments are supposed to make once your lantern is ready, and if you want any other decorative material or any extra glittery thing, that can be added to your own.